Earth is home to an estimated 8.7 million species, but only about 1.2 million have been identified and described by scientists. The Amazon rainforest is home to about 10% of the world's known species, is often referred to as the lungs of the Earth because it produces around 20% of the world's oxygen. The blue whale is the largest animal on Earth, even bigger than the largest dinosaurs. They can grow up to 100 feet in length and weigh as much as 200 tons. A single colony of ants can consist of millions of individual ants, and they are known for their highly organized social structure and division of labor. The giant sequoia trees, found in California's Sierra Nevada mountains, are among the oldest living organisms on Earth. Some of them are over 3,000 years old.